Hey guys, do you ever worry yourself or start to feel like you're two ships passing in the night with your partner? Do you hear about good friends divorcing because they drifted apart? Drifting apart is one of the things that a lot of people use as an excuse in their relationship, but it's really quite impossible to drift apart if you're truly married and you understand that marriage is all about engagement. So the first thing I'd recommend is if you feel like you're drifting apart, don't scare yourself. Understand that with busy lives, every relationship drifts apart at times. It's the ebb and flow of time. And I think the second thing is to really appreciate that a long-term relationship is going to have points where you're really close, points where you feel really connected, and points that are really tough. In fact, points where you may not see your partner for weeks at a time and you just wonder, are we still together? Drifting apart usually happens when couples, fool themselves into thinking that they don't fight, they don't say bad things in front of each other, but then you start getting a gut feeling like, well, it is true, we don't slam doors and go nuts, but are we really together? If you feel like you're further away from your partner than you want to be, then what I recommend are little things. In fact, it only takes six seconds a day. You do little things like make sure you kiss your partner goodbye. If you're with a group of friends and your partner pays you a comment or puts his arm or her arm around your shoulder, to acknowledge it and to lean into them. When you're in the car, make sure you shut your phone off and look at your partner while they're driving and say, hey, how are you doing? Grab their hand. In fact, don't let them go to bed without you caressing them or giving them a hug or saying a prayer before you go to bed. Drifting apart is the saddest excuse you could use for why you ended your relationship. The whole idea of marriage is to stay committed, keep finding things that interest you, keep doing things together, keep making a life besides the ones you have with your kids. Kids are going to grow up, and kids are going to grow up around you thanking you if they know that the two of you made yourself priority and took time for each other. So have a fantastic day, get back in the same boat together, and take off to the sunset.